God teaches us one thing,
uNkulunkulu usifundisa into yinye
to obey Him.
ukumthobela.
And what is obedience?
Yini na ukuthoba?
Obedience,
Ukulalela
it means to submit under.
kusho ukuzithoba ngaphansi.
To submit under.
Ukuzithoba.
So a person who's obedient, it
Umuntu
means they
olalelayo.
are submitting under a certain authority.
Okusho ukuthi bazithoba phansi kwegunya elithize.
And what is hearing?
Yini na ukuzwa?
Hearing is the ability of the ear.
Ukuzwa yinto nje yakwazi ukwenziwa
Everyone's ear can hear.
indlebe yanoma ngawubani
But
ngezwa.
obedience
Kodwa
is to
ukulalela
submit under authority.
ukuzithoba ngaphansi kwegunya.
Is to submit under authority.
Ukuzithoba egunyeni.
And we think that we are affected by what we do
Sicabanga ukuba siphazanyiswa yiloko esikwenzayo
against God.
uNkulunkulu.
Yet we are affected by disobedience.
Kanti cha siphazanyiswa nje ukungalaleli.
Disobedience affects,
Ukungalaleli kuphazamisa,
it delays, it
kuyabambelela.
opens a room for attacks.
Kuvulela igumbi lokuba uhlasele.
It opens a door for Satan to interfere.
Livulela uSathane igumbi lokuba ngena phazamise.
In the Garden of Eden,
Ensimini yase-Eden
you might think Eve and Adam were affected by the tree.
kungenzeka ucabanga ukuthi uEva noAdam baphazanyiswa yisihlahla.
It was not the tree that killed them.
Cha kwakungasona isihlahla esababulala.
It was disobedience.
Kodwa kwakungalaleli.
So the tree became the consequence of disobedience.
Ngakho ke isihlahla sibe imiphumela yokungalaleli kwabo.
They remained hearing God
Bahlale nje
and they could
bemusa.
not submit under.
Kodwa zange bazithoba
Doesn't
ngaphansi.
mean that God did not speak to them.
Akusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu
He spoke
akakhulumanga
to them
nabo. Ukhulumile
and said,
nabo.
"Don't eat the tree."
Wathini ngadli kuleya muthi.
Immediately they obey God.
Ngokuqala nje bengamlalela uNkulunkulu.
That's where death came.
Yila kuze khona
That's where they
kufa.
became naked.
Yila baqale banqunu.
So when they went to eat the tree,
mase beya beyodla
it
kuleya
was
muthi.
the action of disobedience.
Kwase kuyisenzo sokungalaleli.
Action of disobedience.
Kwase kuyisenzo sokungalaleli.
Obedience
Ukulalela
opens a door
kuvula umnyango.
for one to touch what God has promised them.
Ukuthi omunye athinte lo kamethembise kona uNkulunkulu.
Obedience
Ukulalela
makes you to step
kukwenza ukuba ungene.
into the reality of God.
Ungene kokuyikona kona kaNkulunkulu.
But disobedience
Kodwa ukungalaleli
stops the door.
kumisa lowo mnyango.
Stops that door.
Yawumisa lowo.
Because the moment they disobeyed God
Kuba beqala bengamlalela
and they
uNkulunkulu.
ate from the wrong tree,
Base bedle isihlahleni
what
ekungesona.
happened? God had to put a cherub.
uNkulunkulu
with
kwase
a
kumele abeke
flashing
ikherubhi eliphethe inkembe inyakazana.
He stopped them
Wabamisa
from eating from the correct tree,
ukuthi bangasadli esihlahleni
which is the tree
esifanele.
of life.
Okuyisihlahla
But they were
sokuphila.
stopped.
Kodwa bamisile.
They were stopped.
Bamiswa.
Can God stop you from receiving life?
uNkulunkulu angakumisa na ukuba wamukele ukuphila.
They were stopped from
Bavishwa
partaking from life.
ekutheni badle ekuphileni.
Why did God stop them?
Kungani abavimba uNkulunkulu?
It was the issue of disobedience.
Kwakuyinkinga nje yokungalaleli.
It was the issue of disobedience.
Kuyinkinga yokungalaleli.
Now Jesus comes.
Uyeza ke manje
He
uJesu.
says, it's not what you eat
Uthi akugona nje okudlayo
that makes you dirty,
okwenza
but
ungcono.
what you speak with your mouth.
Kodwa yiloko
For
okukhuluma
out
ngomlomo
of the
wakho.
heart,
Ngoba kusuka
the mouth
enhliziyweni
speaks.
umlomo
The
uzokhuluma.
mouth? It means if they obeyed God,
Okusho ukuthi kube bamlalele uNkulunkulu.
they could even eat from the wrong tree
Bebangadla ngisho nesesihlahleni
and
esingafanele
not be affected.
kodwa bangaphazamiseki.
And not be affected. Because you shall pick up snakes,
Ngoba uzophatha
You shall drink
izinyo,
poison,
uzophuza ushevu.
but you will not be harmed.
Kodwa ngeke uze ulimale.
What protects you from them?
Yini ekuvikelayo kuloko na?
Obedience.
Ukulalela nje.
Obedience.
Ukulalela.
There are things you will do
Kunezinto ozozenza
that can seem very dangerous to other people.
ezingabonakala ziyingozi kwabanye abantu.
But with you,
Kodwa ngawe
because you approach them with obedience,
ngoba uze kuzo
you cannot be
ngokulalela.
harmed.
Ngeke uze uzange
You cannot be harmed.
uzange walinyazwa.
You cannot be harmed.
Ngeke futhi ulinyazwe.
It means things that can kill other people.
Osho ukuthi izinto engabulala abanye abantu.
When you carry obedience,
Mawuphethe nje
it
ukulalela.
cannot kill you.
Ngeke wena zikubulale.
That's why some can eat poison and die.
Ngakabanye bedle ushefu.
Some can eat poison and not die.
Abanye bangawudla futhi bangafi.
Depending on how they ate,
Kuncike nje ekuthenini badle
through
njani.
obedience.
Ukulalela.
It's through obedience.
Kungokulalela nje.
Anything you do
Noma yini
or
oyenza.
any act you do
Noma isiphi isenzo
through obedience,
ngokulalela
death cannot touch.
ukufa ngeke kukuthinte.
Death cannot touch.
Ngeke kukuthinte ukufa.
Meaning every weapon fashioned against
Uthi
you
sonke isikhali esilolele
cannot
wena.
touch
Ngeke sithinte.
where there's obedience.
La kunokulalela khona.
It cannot touch where there's obedience.
ngeke sithinte la kunokulalela khona
That's why 1 Samuel chapter 15,
ukusamela uqala weshumi
God
nesihlanu
says to Samuel,
uNkulunkulu uthi kuSamuel
disobedience
ukungalaleli kwa
is equal to witchcraft.
kulingana nobuthakathi
So now here comes witchcraft.
uyeza ke manje
It
ubuthakathi
comes against you.
bumelana nawe
When it finds you without obedience,
ngabe ukuthola ungenako ukulalela
it's going to prosper.
kuzophumelela
It's going to prosper.
kuzophumelela
Uzokushaya ubuloyi.
Oy,
You get it?
Yeah.
But if it finds that, yes, this person uhamba in a danger zone.
makuthola ukuthi lo muntu uhamba
But
engozini
because there's obedience,
kodwa ngoba kunokulalela
even in the midst of snakes,
ngisho naphakathi kweyinyoka
snakes lose poison.
iy'nyoka ziphelelwa ubuthi
Snakes lose
ziphelelwa
poison.
ubuthi
Obedience
ukulalela
is the key
buyisikhiye
to a successful life or journey with God.
buyisikhiye sempilo ephumelele noNkulunkulu nohambo luphumelele kuNkulunkulu
Obedience is
ukulalela
what protects you
iloko kukuvikelayo
from your enemies.
ezitheni zakho
No matter how weak you can appear,
noma ngabe ungavela untekenteke
Before
kangakanani phambi kwabo
but as long as you maintain
kodwa kuphela uma ugcina nje
obedience,
ukulalela
they cannot touch you.
ngeke bakuthinte
They cannot touch you.
ngeke bakuthinte
Hebrews 5,
amahebheru esihlanu
verse 8.
esahluko sesihluko
He learned obedience through suffering
wafunda ukulalela ngaloko ahluphe
to
kangaka
the point of death.
kwaze kwaba
But
sekufeni
death never prospered.
kodwa ukufa kuzange
Repelled
kwaphumelela
by
kuye.
obedience.
wahlulwa ukulalela
Meaning this kind of Adam
kusho ukuthi lolu hlobo
went
lika-adamu
to the tree of knowledge of good and evil
lwaye esihlahleni sokuhle nokubi
and ate from the tree,
wadla kuso
which carried death,
esiphethe ukubi
but it didn't die.
kodwa yena zange wafa
The first Adam
u-adamu wokuqala
went to the tree of life.
waye esihlahleni
He was
sokubi
stopped.
wasuyavinjwa
The second Adam comes.
weza wesibili u-adamu
We are suffering, we are shy. They're killing him, they're crucifying him.
bambethela
But no pain prospers against
kodwa
him.
kunabuhlungu obaphumelela kuye
He took it with endurance.
wakuthatha ngokubekezela
He took it with endurance.
thatha ngokubekezela
It never disturbed him.
akuzange kwamphazamisa
What they were doing against him,
ababekwenza ngayo
it never prospered.
akuzange futhi kwaphumelela
So, do you want to see how you will deal with your enemies?
ngabe ufuna ukubona indlela obhekana ngayo nezitha zakho
You can be weak,
kungenzeka ube buthakathaka
but as long as you obey God,
kodwa kuphela nje uma ulalela uNkulunkulu
you cannot be touched.